Good day everyone. Yes, I'm back with another video. This is the second to the exercise. So again, if you want to contact me, you know where to find me, or you can just make a comment below and then, or just send me an email if you want me to do something, and then we'll talk about it on the email address as written below. I'm a mechanical designer, as I've said it on the other. I have a certificate in mechanical design, as I've said it before on the other video. I do tutoring and drawing some projects for people. So let's not waste some time on the introduction, as I've introduced myself on the previous video. So every time before I draw, because the way I'm doing it, it's to prepare whoever wants to write a test or in a path to do drawings, to understand step-by-step process. What you need to do first before you can consider running into AutoCAD and then chasing your time, it's if you are given maybe 2 hours to draw something, obviously the lecture it's giving you ×2 of his time interval. So what I suggest is that look at your drawing and then find the most complex side. Complex, I mean where there's a lot of dimensions. That's where the direction is. Don't run into a place where there are no dimensions, because you'll end up being nowhere. So let's start with the simplest part. The way I do it, I'll give you a small introduction, a summary on how we'll take our steps through drawing this. So I'll start from the bottom right corner, and then it's either I can go up or I can go to the left. So I can see on the going to the left, I have everything that I need to draw, so I can just draw everything same time, and then we're done up to the radius before the radius 2. Why am I saying before the radius 2? It's because I'm given a line. I'm given a line, a straight line, which is offsetted from the right side, which is 20.4, and then coming to, or let's jump to the left, starting from bottom to up, you are given distance 18, and then the longest distance till to the center of R3, it's 29. So getting that 29, obviously we have to go through this 10.8 and 20.4. So let's get started with our AutoCAD. My AutoCAD is we just open it now, and then now I don't have to do the layer as we did on the other side, but still you can do it. I won't need any center lines to do anything for now. Sorry, this usually happens. Sometimes the software takes longer as whenever you are running a lot of programs. So I'll remove the grid as I do normally. Let's start going to the left and finish up the bottom side. What dimensions do we have? We have 9.9 and then we have 4.2. We have 9.9, enter, and then I will just zoom in so that I can continue nicely, and then we have 4.2 to the upside, enter, and then we have a radius of 5. I'll check it as 5, enter, and then I will just say escape for now and draw my circle of radius 5. I'll just copy the left line. I'll copy the left line to the top side. Let me see, I think I've made a mistake here. 4.2, enter. Yes, this circle I'll move it down to this point. The 4.2 is situated down there till to the center. I'll come to the center, go to the left side, and then I'll say 4.2 again. And then what do I have to the other side? I have 11.4 and I have 7.7. 11.4, and I have a circle to the center. It's 7.7. So I'll draw a distance to the center. I know I can just click there to the bottom side, but I don't prefer that method a lot, as it can give you rough times at some point. You'll realize you won't see if you have made a mistake on typing the other distance or not. So let's come from the right side going up. We have a distance 18, we have another distance 29. So but let's just say 18, and then we do a radius of 8.9. Then we can offset the line that we have to the distance 10, or we can move it. So I think it's best we draw this two, which is 18 and 29, and then we'll use the 10.8 to move our line. We have a line which we said it's 18 to the top side, and then we have another one which is 29, and then we now will need to move this line to the left side, which is 10.8. Enter. What we want to do next, it's to move a line, it's to draw our arc circle. So we can find the center of 8.9 using the bottom line, using the line which is 18 from its center. From its center, we know we have 8.9 radius, so we use that radius of 8.9, and then you have seen we have a fillet exactly touching this portion, which is this one, 2, fillet 2. So as we have seen, the center of the 8.9 circle, it's not exactly in the same lining as the one offset at 10.8. So we use the same method, offset 2, enter. We offset this at distance 2, and then we'll come with a circle 2, enter, and then we trim. We trim our circle so that we can get a clear, you can get everything that we're doing nicely. To remove some other things to be left with at least what we need. So this is what you have to do at some point. You zoom in and then you delete whatever is unnecessary. So now we can get to the top. We have a radius 3, and then this radius 3, we have a radius 3 and we have a radius 10. And we have another one which is radius 5 from the left side. So let's come to the radius 2, which it's exactly the same as what we did here. So we can offset this line to the right side, 20.4. Highlight, and then I'll say offset, and then say specify distance, it's 20.4, enter, correct, and then I'll say extend, correct. As you can see, we don't have the same center, so you couldn't use this one and assume it's exactly the same center. So now we can say offset distance 2, because we need to make a fillet. We make our fillet 2, enter, and then come with trimming. The same thing that we did on the left is the same step you can take for trimming. We trim unnecessary information so that we can at least be left with what we need. I have deleted something incorrectly. Let me see, trim, extend, enter, where is it? It's back. So now I can just delete what's left, which I don't need. Bear in mind that we are not given this distance. So, but by the look of things, I can see that the distance 10 counts. If I place a center from the radius 3, the distance 10 gives me exactly the center of 5. So which means I can be able to see where the 5 ends. You will see as we draw. I will say I need the center of this one first, and then it's giving me 3. And then after, now I can go down, I say 10, and then I go back to the other side as 10. I can extend this as far as it touches the other one. Through the lining, and then I say offset 5. The center, I need a distance 5 from this one. Distance 5, enter. And then now I can delete this one. It's exactly the same lining as the center of the other line. So now I can come up with it's 5, correct, and then I say trim, and then I can wait before I trim this circle, as I need to use it. So now we are close to the finish line. As I have said before, to draw a circle you need 2 points. So you check where the circle is touching, and then it's touching 2 points, which is the 2 circles that we have. So now we can say offset, it's what radius? 10. Offset 10, enter, offset 10, enter. Where the 2 points where they meet, it becomes 10. And then I can say trim, enter, then I trim all unnecessary information to make sure you are left exactly with the arc. This you can just delete. And I'll say trim, enter. It gave us a nice fillet. Using the fillet feature, you couldn't find this part. So as you can see, by the look of everything, it's exactly the same. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and recommend a lot of first years to join it, as it will assist them. I know a lot of people are struggling with drawings 1 and even drawings 2, as I've been in tough times as well before. So but I've managed to kick it very well. So thank you.